Everyone, we are doing exercise 8.3, question number 1, chapter 8, Edexcel year 1 pure maths differentiation. Okay, you're given f of x and you're supposed to find f dash x. So my f dash x over here is going to be 7x6 x raised to n bring it down. So 8 I'm bringing down. So it's going to be 8x7 over here. Bring down the 4x3 over here. It is x raised to half. That means it is root x, and it's going to be derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Now here, so for here it is x raised to 1 by 4. So it's going to be 1 by 4, x raised to 1 by 4 minus 1. So it's going to be 1 by 4. I usually do this on the calculator. It's going to be 1 by 4 minus 1 is nothing but x raised to minus 3 by 4. The f1, it is cube root of x. So it's nothing, it's going to be x raised to 1 by 3. So the derivative, that is f dash x, will be 1 by 3 x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So x raised to minus 2 by 3. So this is the derivative. Now 8.3, question number 1. I'm doing the G, H, I, J, K, and L part. F dash x we are supposed to find. So it's going to be minus 3x raised to minus 4. Over here it's going to be minus 4x raised to minus 3. 1 by x squared is nothing but x raised to minus 2. So it's going to be minus 2x raised to minus 3. 1 by x5 is nothing but x raised to minus 5. So it's going to be minus 5x raised to minus 6. To further simplify it, you can say it's minus 5x raised to 6. Okay. Now root x is nothing but x raised to minus half. So it's going to be minus half x raised to minus 3 by 2. You can check it on the calculator. Minus half minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Now this one, the L1. I'll just do this L1 over here. Y is 1 by cube root of x. It is nothing but 1 by x raised to root of x is half. Cube root is 1 by 3. Okay. So it's going to be x raised to minus 1 by 3. Now dy by dx of this is going to be minus 1 by 3 x raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So it's going to be minus 1 by 3 x raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So it's going to be minus 4 by 3. So I'm continuing with exercise 8.3, question number 1. Now this is the MNOPQR part. You need to be very clear when you're seeing the question. First, try to simplify your y. Then go on removing your dy by dx. So if I'm going to uh, simplify the y, so this is going to be a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. So it's going to be x raised to 3 plus 6. So it's going to be x raised to 9. I'm just simplifying the y so that you know that first you have to simplify the y. This is going to be x raised to 5, x raised to 3, x raised to 2 minus 4. So it's going to be x raised to minus 2. This is going to be x raised to 3 minus 2. It's going to be x raised to 1. And x raised to 6 minus 3. So it's going to be x raised to 3. So now this is your y, and I have simplified the y. Now when I'm going to my dy by dx, I simply apply the formula nxn minus 1. So it's going to be 9x8, 5x4, 3x2, minus 2x minus 3, x raised to 0, and anything raised to 0 is 1. And this is going to be 3x square. So I complete exercise 8.3, question number 1, differentiation, where you are differentiating x raised to n.